Reception cafe.
Oh, we've got a cafe.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool. We're here.
Yes, you would think so, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll just lift it up.
Yeah, no. Well done.
I was a bit late doing it, but locked.
All done. Wow, first impressions?
Oh, absolutely bloody beautiful.
Look at it. Look at all the palm trees.
Yeah, so we're all set up. What do you reckon, Anya? Time for a coffee.
Coffee time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Have a look at this place.
It's looking pretty sweet, isn't it? Looking pretty sweet.
It's like we've been in a time capsule and we've popped up in Queensland.
There's a camp kitchen in there. Might as well have a quick look now.
Yeah.
We're right next to it, aren't we? Never used it, but we're right next to it.
There's the entry on the other side. Oh, here.
Hey?
Couldn't see the entry.
Oh.
Is that much green?
Yeah, it's nice enough, isn't it?
Good enough.
Look at the view out, like sitting here looking out there, it's bloody beautiful.
Yeah. Play area.
Decking, looking at the pool, I reckon.
Yeah.
How good's that?
What do we pay per night, do you think?
I think it's $49 or something, or
Yeah.
$50.
It depends on what, they've got two size sites, so yeah, I think we might have been 49 and the other might have been 55. So this is your reception / coffee house, water park.
Yeah, it looks like a decent water park, doesn't
Nice,
it?
isn't it?
Wow, unreal. Indoor tennis court. Pool looks like it's going to be gorgeous. Oh, check out the games room. Oh, I have to grab the rackets and come over here. Oh, look up the top there. Oh, what a games room. The gym's up the top there. Cool. Very good, very, very good. Oh, actually they got a back entrance too. I reckon we're parked just, where are we? Yep, there we are. Just there. Cinema, 2 movies every night. We've got a bar. How awesome is this? Get a Get a fire happening. Nice. Nice. And these are the speakers. Oh, look, got a few mates here, eh? How you going, fellas? You looking for food? Eh? Oh, just kicking back and enjoying this place. How beautiful is it?
What are you cooking, Gibbo?
Giving these beef ribs a crack.
So,
What am I cooking on, Anya?
well, yeah. Just doing the induction. Just something different. Just to cook outside. We've got the barbecue, but we just want to test how these will cook up in our new...
Have a look at it though.
Yeah.
Have a look at it.
It's a nice...
Full blown induction bacon dish.
Yeah.
It's a double baking dish. So that goes on there, and that goes on there. So you can have stuff in the bottom, stuff on the top. Probably even if you want to just keep warm your veggies.
And I'll get the tongs and get rid of that fat.
And then I heard something about it's not good to have them empty when you turn them on. That's why I turned it off again.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if that might not be a thing, but I'm pretty sure I heard something about that. And the best thing about this is it all fits in that bag, which we'll show you later, and it just fits perfectly in my drawers. And so it takes up bugger all room. It's great. We could be cooking with gas, but we just want to. We love our gas one. We only mainly got this for times when it's too windy for the gas. But yeah, we just want to test it. This trip is just to test it out and see how good it cooks up and get used to it. So I reckon keep this on a 600 or 800. We'll go to 6, I think.
6 was good.
We worked out 6 was good, I think, didn't we? Yeah.
And I reckon 200 was good for just keeping it warm, although I'd probably try 300. I think it might have been a little bit too low.
Right.
Yeah, but let's get the veg on.
Oh, this is good. Cooking on around 600. The DC charger I've got, our inverter I've got in the back is 1500, so handles it no worries with the two 120 lithium batteries in there, and then we've got our portable 150 as well. So yeah, happy days.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you reckon, Anya?
Alright, how are we going there?
Yeah, that's looking pretty nice, I think.
Yeah, it smells amazing. Spuds look good.
Yeah. It's a good heat. It doesn't burn the bottom or anything, does it?
No.
It browns it and does all the good things.
Yeah.
What's it like, alright? Okay. And then you've got huge lap pool, isn't it? And yeah, true. And then you got indoor pool up here. Hey, Clucker. How you going, mate? Be beautiful staying in one of these with your front decking, looking out at the pool now, wouldn't it? That'd be awesome.